The Motorola Edge 60 Fusion might not be the most premium phone in Moto's lineup, but don't let that fool you. This mid-ranger packs some serious features. Let's dive into what makes it stand out. Starting with design, the Edge 60 Fusion keeps things sleek and practical. It's got a slim profile with a vegan leather back that curves smoothly into the camera module. The frame is plastic, but don't worry, it feels light and easy to handle. Plus, it's tougher than ever with an IP69 rating, meaning it can handle dust, water, and even high-pressure jets. And with Gorilla Glass 7 eye protecting the display, durability is a real highlight here. Speaking of the display, Motorola stepped things up with a 6.67-inch OLED panel. This time, you're getting a sharper 1220p resolution, a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+ support. Brightness is impressive too, peaking at over 1,370 nits in auto mode, so outdoor visibility won't be an issue. Swiping and scrolling feel flawless, and colors stay vibrant even at extreme angles. Audio gets a thumbs up as well. The stereo speakers deliver deep, warm sound with plenty of volume. If you're picky about speaker quality, this phone won't disappoint. For security, there's an under-display fingerprint scanner. It's fast, though we wish it was positioned a little higher for easier reach. Storage options are generous, 256GB or 512GB, plus the rare bonus of expandable storage via microSD. And with eSIM support, dual SIM functionality stays intact. On the software side, you're looking at Motorola's Hello UI over Android 15. It's clean, close to stock Android, and packed with useful extras like smart tabs and enhanced device connectivity. Performance-wise, the Edge 60 Fusion runs on MediaTek's Dimensity 7300 or 7400 depending on your region. It's not the most powerful chip in its class, but day-to-day use is snappy. Benchmarks are decent, though heavy workloads might trigger some throttling. Battery life, however, is stellar, 14+ hours of active use on the global model and even more on the Indian variant. And with 68W fast charging, you can go from 0 to 86% in just 30 minutes. Now the cameras. The 50MP main sensor bends down to 12.5MP shots, and daylight photos are sharp with vibrant colors. TOOC's digital zoom works surprisingly well, though it's not perfect. Low-light performance is solid, with bright exposures and good detail. The ultrawide camera impresses too, especially with autofocus for close-up shots. Selfies come out at 8MP with great dynamic range, just expect some extra sharpening. Video recording hits 4K across all cameras, including the front-facing one. Footage is clean and stable, though the ultrawide can struggle with color consistency. Low-light video is better than expected, with minimal noise. So, is the Edge 60 Fusion worth it? Absolutely. It nails the essentials: great display, strong battery life, solid cameras, and expandable storage. Sure, you could find phones with better chips or zoom lenses, but as a well-rounded package, this one's hard to beat. If you're curious about alternatives, the Poco X7 Pro offers more power, while the Nothing Phone 3a brings its own unique flair. But if the Edge 60 Fusion fits your needs, it's an easy recommendation. Let us know what you think, and stay tuned for more reviews.